Okay, approaching 34.7, facing away. Valentine custom swept with my configuration, this time with the X and K disabled. We'll see. I'll be alert. Valentine again. Nice. STR plus. Now the CI. So again, I like these sweeps. Definitely. Okay, now I'm going to make some changes here to the Valentine. This isn't what I would do for practically for driving unless you absolutely knew the radar sources. I'm going to start to disable. Well, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to over sweep, put some additional sweeps for 34.7 in the mix here, and see if adding additional sweeps improves performance. And I'm going to do that with the 100 megahertz sweeps, because the nature of my configuration doesn't really allow me to do that anyway, and I'm pretty happy with where I'm at. But just for an academic exercise, I'm going to go back to my 100 megahertz centered sweeps, which are the recommendations from Valentine and I think what most people use. Then I'm going to add some additional over sweeps for 34.7. Now this source is operating, you know, give or take a couple megahertz, 34.709, and we have yet another Leo up ahead, it looks like. Unmarked, could be, well, maybe he is. I think it's a Leo. Yeah, I think so, because he's got K. Looks like he's got K hanging down. At any rate, that's what we're going to do. Over sweep at 100 megahertz, the 34.7 range, and see if it makes any difference. And then we're going to actually narrow and eliminate some KA bands. We'll make a few more runs, do some more tweaks here, and you know, I wouldn't recommend necessarily doing that unless you know very much in the state that you're driving what KA sources are there being used and which ones are not. You don't want to leave yourself exposed, and when you're driving multiple states, you certainly wouldn't want to forget to change your profile. So, you know, again, this is more for academic purposes as far as I'm concerned. So, okay.